Hey, what's going on, guys? It's me, Lindsay, with LindsayMoore.com. And in this video, I'm going to share with you how you can make money with no website, okay? So with doing this, guys, I'm going to try to go through it completely. The only thing I won't be able to show you guys inside of this training is how to link a autoresponder to their landing page, but that's something you can find on YouTube, guys, okay? But in order for you to make money online without a website, you're going to need a few things, okay? You're going to need an offer. You're going to need some type of capture page software so that way you can collect people's emails. You also need an autoresponder, and then you need traffic. You need those four things minimum in order for you to have success. And that's the best way that you're going to make money online without a website, guys, okay? So the first thing we want to do is we want to find an offer. So you need to first determine what niche that you're wanting to be in, okay? So let's say here, pull up a blank tab. So let's say like you want to be in the make money online niche, you're going to be in the health and fitness niche or something like that. So what we need to do is, that's what place we can go find some quick offers is ClickBank. Let's go over here. Now, once we are here, we need to choose an offer, okay? So let me log into my account here. Why can't I not type today? Now that we're here, we're going to go to Marketplace. So again, guys, we need to figure out what niche that we're going to be in. So once we determine what niche we're going to be in, what we want to do is we want to find a product that we can promote, okay? So there's so many on here that you can choose. Again, guys, I'm in the internet marketing, make money online niche or whatever. So if I were to come over here to ClickBank, I will come over here to where it says e-business and e-marketing. And then I like to sort the products by gravity, okay? The higher the gravity, the better, okay? So you have 5-minute profit sites here. You see the gravity is 149, which is really, really good. And then you can just kind of scroll down and kind of see the other different type of offers that they have. And what you'll do here is you can open some of these up and see, what they're talking about, what they're offering. Most of them do come with like a sales video, something like that. So you can just go through the sales video, see what they're talking about. And what you want to do is, now that you have this, you have your product chosen, what you want to do is you want to get your affiliate link. So we're going to click on promote. I'm just going to click create. And now we have our affiliate link right here, okay? So now that we have that out of the way, we have our offer, we picked out our niche, we have our offer. The next thing we need to do is we need to create a sales page. Like not a sales page, but a sales funnel, okay? The sales funnel is going to automate the sales process for you, okay? So in order for us to create a really effective one, we're not going to just, what some people will do is they will they'll actually just send people directly to this link, which we don't want to do. We want to build an email list. The reason why we want to do this is because most people do not buy things the first time they see something, okay? They have to see things at least 7 to 12 times before they take any type of action. So it's imperative that we get them on an email list and we keep exposing them to our name, our brand, or whatever else. And over time, they'll eventually buy something from us, okay? So you don't want to just send people that plain link that we just had up here, okay? We don't just want to send people directly there, right? The next thing also, some people would do is they will create a email capture page, and I'm going to show you guys that in this the second part of this video. But what they would do is they'll say like, oh, if you want to know how to make profits in 5 minutes, give me your email address and I'll send you this free video, okay? So some people would do it like that, all right? What we're going to do is we're going to take it a step further, guys. We want to actually just give them something of value. We really want to give them something of value. So how do we do that is, one good way that we can do this is we can either do research inside of our niche and just create like a simple cheat sheet that we can offer to people for free. In exchange, you get their email address. We can do that. Or you can do something like, let's do affiliate marketing PLR. So let's see if something pulls up. Okay, so we have PLR. These are PLR's private label rights, as you guys can see here. And from here, you can buy ebooks, products that are created by other people, and they're actually going to sell you the rights in order for you to either resell that particular product or to give away as bonuses or whatever else, right? So you'll come over to a site like this, any type of PLR site, and you'll see what type of PLR products that they have. So you can go in here and buy like a an affiliate marketing ebook, okay? So let's see if we can pull up a good site that'll offer something. Okay, so these are some affiliate marketing PLR ebooks, okay? So you have affiliate marketing A to Z, winning the affiliate war. You have all these type of books here, okay? So you can just spend the money, like, anywhere from $3, $4, $5, buy you an ebook, right? And now that you have this ebook, you can now offer that ebook as a free offer to get people's email address, okay? So again, we're not going to send them directly to our ClickBank product just yet, okay? What we're going to do is we're going to create a email capture page, and we're going to offer our ebook on how to make money with affiliate marketing. Let's say we chose this one, okay? So it's going to be like a free ebook, how to make money with affiliate marketing and something like that. And for them to get this ebook, they're going to have to give us their email address in order to get this book, okay? So now that we understand that, let's go over to lead pages, and now we're going to create a simple email capture page, okay? Okay, so now we're in lead pages, right? So now what we want to do is we want to choose a simple email capture form, okay? Like once you come down here to lead pages, and I'll put a link below where you can get access to lead pages so you can create unlimited like capture pages. We want something simple, right? You're going to see a lot of these options. They look really nice. They look really fancy and things like that. What I have noticed in my own testing or whatever, and checking with my analytics, simple email capture pages with white backgrounds with a button or or just something like that where they just simply just asking for the email address, they end up converting higher for me, okay? So let me show you guys. Let me see if I can find it, or do I just create one? Sometimes I create one, sometimes I just use one of the ones that they give us here. So let me see if I can find it really quickly. Okay, yeah, this one's the one I typically use. Okay, so I'm going to use this template. And I even noticed that when I play around with the colors, let's see what let's do here. And you definitely want to check it, check with your once you have created your opt-in page, you definitely want to make sure you check your numbers to see if it's converting high. Like most people will just create like a capture page and they never pay attention to their conversion rate on their opt-in page. You definitely want to make sure that you are doing that. You want to make sure that you are having a good opt-in rate. So like if you got an opt-in page that's only converting at 30%, that's not good. You definitely want to go for like 50% or more if you can. And whenever I use this particular opt-in page and make it really, really simple, like I'm going to show you guys in this video, it always converts over 50%. Always, always. So what we're going to do is we're going to clean this up a bit. A lot of stuff, we don't need all this other stuff down here. Okay, we have all of that. And now what you want to do is we want to create a simple page. So we're going to say, this is going to be bad copy because I'm kind of trying to go through this video because we are, I don't want this video to be too long. Okay, so we're going to be offering our affiliate marketing ebook. So let's go back to lead pages. And we're going to say, bubble widget. We'll drag some text over here. It's going to be a 100% free ebook download. I just send my text. Yes, let's see. Let me see. I think I like this one. 11 tips for launching anything online. Let's try to do that one instead. You can do something like that. Like I usually kind of like to use the text from whatever freebie offer that I'm getting right here. Like again, guys, this is not going to be the greatest copy because I'm really trying to just go through this training. But you definitely want to spend like a few minutes, not a long time, but just a few minutes with your copy right here. And also, you can just always keep testing with it, like how I was talking about earlier. You want to check your analytics and things like that. If it's not performing that great, then you want to come back here, change up the text, change up the copy, change up the colors. Because believe it or not, colors have a lot to do with your conversion rates, because I've been testing that this week, and I've noticed that even with one color I was using, it was converting at 50%, and then I changed it to another color, and now it's converting at 53%, and that's been within a 48-hour period. So you definitely just want to come back here and just check through some of the stuff, okay? So we got a free ebook download, 11 tips for launching anything online. I'll get rid of this, and then I'll say like download now. Okay. So let's pick some color. Let's pick like red. Red, blues are really good. They usually kind of convert really good. Okay. So now we have our capture page. Okay. So what we're going to do is we want to edit our lead box. And this is the part where you definitely want to integrate with your autoresponder. The autoresponders that I definitely would recommend that you use, especially if you're brand new, is definitely Aweber. I'll put a link below this video on how you can get started with Aweber. Aweber, it has a $1 trial for the first 30 days, and then it goes to $19.99 every month after that, and then it just increase the more and more leads that you get. But that's a great way to start, because that's the one I started with in the beginning. Okay, so you start with there. You just want to make sure everything is congruent. Okay, so you go like what's in I'll go back to download now. We're gonna choose our red color, and I want to put here, where should I send the download to? Okay, you want to say text like that, because if you just tell people like enter your best email address, some people will just put in bogus email addresses or whatever else. If you use text like this, where should I send a download to? People feel like in order for them to get that download, that they have to put their right email address in order to get that download. Okay, so that's why it's going to kind of prompt them to put in their best email address. So you definitely want to make sure you change your text to something like that. Okay, so now we have our lead box done, and as you guys can see here, you can just this is what you would do. Like once you have connected Aweber to your lead pages account, you'll just choose one of your lists. Okay, like I said, I'm not going to show that in this video because it's going to be way too long. But we have all that information here. We want to click save and close once we have it all linked together. Actually, let's do this. So we're not going to do a thank you page. What we're going to do is we're going to probably take people directly to. So this is one option, okay? So if you want to create the opt-in page and send people directly to the offer, what we're going to do is we're going to copy this link, and inside of lead pages, we want to open this up. Let's get rid of this one because I don't use that autoresponder. And then under the actions field, we want to click on external URL, and we're going to put our link for our affiliate product from ClickFunnels. Not ClickFunnels, but ClickBank. We're going to click save and close. Now that we have that done, we're just going to click publish. And that's a simple funnel, okay? That's a really great way for you to promote and make money online without a website. Now, this is something I would do like if I was just generating free traffic, okay? So if I was promoting on my social media, if I was sending to my current email list, Facebook groups or something like that, this is what I would use, okay? Now, if you were to do use paid advertising like Facebook traffic or whatever else, you definitely don't want to have it to where people click on this button and then it takes them to the affiliate offer. Okay, you don't want to do that. You can, but I wouldn't recommend it. What you would do is you'll definitely just have like a bridge page. Now with this one, I want to show you guys is just a really basic affiliate marketing funnel. And most of you have already experienced this because either you have created a funnel for yourself or you have even gone through a funnel just to become a part of somebody's email list or to get a free offer that somebody was providing. So as you guys can see here, you have your opt-in page, right? So right here you can see like an example is how I make over $100 online step-by-step tutorial. So if you were to click on this download link, it's going to have like a pop-up that's going to say, hey, submit your best email address in order to get this content. So you're going to submit your email address, and once you do, it's going to bring you to probably a bridge page. And on this bridge page, it's usually going to be like a video. The reason why I say you want to do like a bridge page, because if you go directly to your offer, more than likely you're not going to get that many conversions. You'll get a lot of people on your email list, but you probably won't get a lot of conversions. But if you were to do a video right here, and it doesn't have to necessarily be you all the time. It can be you. It may be a video that you found on YouTube or something like that. But the purpose of the bridge page is to kind of to warm up your audience. Because right now at the opt-in phase, they're cold, right? They're cold. They don't know what they're opting in. They know what they're kind of opting into, but they're cold traffic pretty much, right? So when they come up here to the bridge page and you do like a video saying like, hey, I'm Linsay Moore, and I just want to let you guys know a little bit more about me or something like that. Even if you kept that video about like 5 minutes long or something like that, you have now warmed up that cold lead just a little bit more because now they understand who they're connecting with, who they will be receiving emails from over the next few days, over the next few weeks or whatever. And then by the time they get to this offer, they're either going to purchase from you or they're not going to purchase from you. But again, they'll end up on your email list, and you can continue to remarket to that email list over and over and over again. Hopefully you found this video helpful, guys. If you have any questions about what I just shared with you in this video, comment below and I'll make sure I'll try to answer any questions that you guys have. Make sure you like this video, subscribe to this channel, and also hit that notification bell so that way you can get more updates when I do videos like this on YouTube. And until the next one, guys, peace. And also, below this video, if you want to know more about how to actually build a $48,000 per year side hustle, okay, believe it or not, you can do this, okay, guys? Underneath this video in the description, underneath the video, you're going to see like a little button down there. It's going to say show more. Click on that, and you're actually going to get access to a free cheat sheet download. What I'm going to share with you is actually a free video where I'm going to share with you how you can create a $48,000 per year side hustle business online, guys, okay? So go ahead, take action on that, guys, and I'll see you guys on the next video.